Hi, good morning everyone. I am right now in Udupi and Karnataka, and just I'm going to install our grading machine with the filth washing machine. So I will show you how is our machine is looking here without installation. Now this is the outlet conveyors, and here a ruler will be going to fit again. Then from here to this is the second lifter, and this is for that first lifter, and this is the filth washing machine. All is here with the lining. Now we will going to arrange everything by the line and line, and we can see them. They are placing the rulers आगे रखेंगे उधर. Or this is the lifting 1 and lifting 2, and we'll put the rulers with them. This way? Yeah, this. So that will be easy for them. They are bringing continuity.